Hi guys, today we are going to be installing Docker on Ubuntu with a bash script. So stick around, let's do this. Okay, I'm going to be signing into Digital Ocean for this tutorial because I have some credit that will soon expire. You can use any cloud provider you like. So far as it's the same OS, it should be alright. However, if you want to use Digital Ocean, I'll drop the link in the description below for you to sign up. First thing we are going to do is to create a new project. You can do so by clicking on the new project on the far left. We will name this project Docker and give it any description we want. Select purpose. Any purpose will do actually, but I'm going to be selecting educational purposes. Then click on create project. Click skip for now because we don't want to be moving any resources into our project, and we will create droplets. Droplet is DigitalOcean's name for virtual machine. Then choose the region that is close to you. I'll be choosing Frankfurt. And as for image, let's use Ubuntu 20.04 because I never like using the latest version. CPU options regular. I chose $6 per month, but in hindsight, I could have chosen $4 per month because we won't be running any heavy thing. And I'll be pasting my SSH keys from putty. If you don't know how to create one, I've done a video on it. It's in the description below. We will be changing our host name to Docker tutorials. Then we'll click on create droplet. So we will just wait for that to be created and then enter into our VM. Click on console. If you're not a beginner, you can SSH into it from your system. I, however, do not want to make this tutorial complex. Go to your browser and search for install Docker on Ubuntu. You may open the first and the second one, and then whichever one is more convenient for you to go through or understand, you can follow the tutorials. I, however, created a bash script for it. To use this script, we will create a file called script.sh. Can be any name of your choice, but it must end with .sh. So we will type vim, then the name of the file we wish to create, and paste in the bash script. We will press Ctrl Shift plus V, then click on Escape WQ to save and close. To run our script, we will need to change permissions. We will do this by typing chmod plus X and then the name of the file which we just created, in this case script.sh, and then we'll press enter. Then to run it itself, we press ./script.sh, that is the name of the file, and then enter. And now the script is running. While the script is running, you get a prompt for configuring Open SSH server. Just press enter and keep going. Okay, so our script is done running. You can see that the only thing in green, active running, means that our Docker is active and running. Then we'll press Ctrl C to exit, and then to check the version, you type Docker version, and we can see the version of our Docker that is installed. Now that we have gotten the installation, we'll go into Docker commands. In my next video, we'll be talking about the basic Docker commands. So subscribe and turn notifications so you won't miss this.